Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches, and welcome to the first ever on the channel triple unboxing, boxing. Anyway, I really haven't worked on the effects, the echo effects, so hopefully that was good enough, good for starters. So let's get going. I'm going to start with the biggest to smallest here. I did some pre-opening up so we can get things going here quickly. Now this one, I'm not really 100% sure what it is, so it'll be a little bit of a surprise. The other two, I do. Oh, packing peanuts. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. So this is revolver. I think that's what it is. I think it's revolver. I think that's what it's called here. Okay. Cool. Cool. I think I know what this watch is. This is another. This is a tour watch from the tour group. Oh yeah. Well, I'm wearing the Zen 104, by the way. Look out for a review coming shortly on that one. Quick wristwatch check. All right. Now this is a little bit different. I've never seen anything quite like this one before. Check it out. So um, these five circles, I guess, when you open up a revolver and put in bullets. I'm not really gun savvy, but I think that's the whole idea. Okay, so let's try this on real quick. Because the other two, this is a rubber bracelet here, and I think the other two are steel bracelets, so they would need to be adjusted. Okay. Of course, having trouble, as usual, under the pressure. And let's do this on wrist, okay. All right. Very cool. Very different type of dial than I'm used to, but interesting. Interesting. Don't really know too much about this watch brand or this particular watch, but I'll figure it out, and I'll have a review out to you guys in probably in a week or so, a few days. Okay, so let's go to the next unboxing. Let's put this on the side. And I believe this is an Islander, two Islanders today for the unboxing. Very nice. This is the one that's kind of modeled after the Samurai, the Seiko Samurai. Very, very cool. Don't believe it's going to be sized for me. It's probably going to be a little big on my wrist. But this is also another tour watch. Alrighty, there we go. Not too bad that dial is fully illuminated too, so it's going to look really, really cool in the dark. Alrighty. And then finally, we're going to go here with the other Islander. I know this is coming in today. I actually ordered this watch. Interesting backstory, or maybe just interesting to me. About a year ago, I wanted to mod an SKX, and I saw somebody post on Instagram a Yachtmaster influenced mod. And so I figured that looked really awesome. I liked the Yachtmaster 1. Let me try to do the same thing, and it went very badly, terribly bad. And then about a couple months ago, Mark came out with his Islander that looks like the watch that I wanted my mod to look like, and then I missed out on it, and then he reissued it recently, and I placed an order. Wow, that is awesome, man. He did a really good job with this one. I could see why this is a very, very popular one. Anyway, I will have to adjust this and put it on wrist as soon as possible, guys. Anyway, thanks for tuning in for the triple unboxing, guys, and look out for reviews on these watches on the channel very, very soon.